today I'm going to share with you a fun floral necklace. You'll need a pair of jewelry pliers. They have the rounded nose and it's easiest to work with the wire that way. So simply wind the wire around the tip of the needle nose and create a swirl. From there you're going to continue swirling with your hand multiple times. Then in the beginning you'll do that side and then flip to the other end and do the same thing. In the middle you can twist and wind it around itself to create another swirl or two. From there you can fold out the swirls, folding them outward in different directions to create undulating curves and the overall shape. Next, you're going to want to create the wire that goes around the neck. So measure a length that's long enough to go around the neck and a little bit. And you're going to then swirl each end so they're not sharp or would poke. From there, you're going to attach the original piece to the neck piece. So I just use a little bit of the aluminum wire around both of them to secure them in place. From there, you're going to flip it over and lay it on a stainless steel surface. You're going to oil it really well, and then you're going to use hot glue and drizzle it over the back side of the necklace. Once it's dry, you can peel it up and you can edit it if all needed with a pair of scissors by trimming around the edge. After that, you're going to add the flowers of your choice. Utilizing the Princess Aiko roses from Alexandra Farms really sets it off and makes it pop, as well as the white calla lilies, some succulents, and some hypericum. This necklace is perfect for an add-on to a prom wristlet. It might be perfect for that special mother of the bride that wants something a little bit different and unique. Thanks so much for watching today. I hope to see you guys again soon, and take care. Hope you were inspired. See you soon. Bye-bye.